Hello everyone, I'm Eshana from JC One Piece and this is my chemistry project. So the brief for my project was that I had to teach you how to make something functional but at home. So I will be teaching you how to make jewelry cleaner. Next up, these are the ingredients you'll need. A tablespoon of salt, baking soda, dish detergent, a cup of water, a piece of aluminum foil, half a lime, and of course, the jewelry. Firstly, cut a piece of aluminum foil enough to cover a small bowl and put your water to boil. Step 2. Pour the hot water in a bowl. Step 3. Put salt in the bowl, 1 tablespoon to be exact. Next step, you put in equal amounts of baking soda. Lastly, put in your dish detergent and make sure you stir well. Alright, now for the fun part. You squeeze in a quarter of a lime and drop in your jewelry. Now make sure you completely submerge your jewelry. Now let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and well wait. But look at a pretty bubble I saw, and here's some clips of me waiting. And the big reveal. Now take out your jewelry. Okay, on to the final step. Now get a piece of cloth and clean out your jewelry really thoroughly and try not to drop it like me. Alright, now on to explanation. When I finished it, I was wondering how it happened. So here's how it did. Tarnish is silver sulfide, a dark substance that forms on silver surfaces when it is exposed to sulfur-containing gases in the air, particularly hydrogen sulfide. These gases can originate from common substances and items around the house. Now, the silver sulfide or tarnish transfers its sulfide solutions to the aluminum, converting back into silver and creating aluminum sulfide on the foil. That's why you'll see the aluminum foil turn black, which I showed in a clip before, and you may even notice a slight sulfur scent that I noticed. Electrical reactions make the transfer of ions from silver to aluminum foil possible. But pure water is not a very good conductor, so a solution like salt water is the perfect medium for the exchange. In this case, the sodium bicarb, a mildly alkaline salt, introduces ions that allow the electrochemical reaction. The water breaks down the salt into its sodium and bicarb components. The free-floating positively and negatively charged ions then carry the electricity between the two metals. And that is how it happens. Alright, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed, and I do hope you try it out so you too can have squeaky clean jewelry like me. Until next time.